This is Ruby Class second hit. Please wait for the tone. Hintayin niyo lang yung tunog ha. Okay? Ready? Four minutes left. Three minutes, 45 seconds. Race leader, Canon. Second, Teo. Three minutes left. Two minutes left.
Tapos sabi sa akin, ano nga nang takbo? Mga 6. Tapos nang ginawag ko siya, sabi niya 6 pa, 5 pa lang eh.
One minute, 38 seconds. Race leader, Canon. Second, Teo.
Adik yata eh. Mapractice yata sa kanila eh. Hindi ba tatlong hits lang? Yan. Tatlong hits lang lahat sila. So after yan, sila lang.
1 minute left.
Sabi kasi ni Tio sa atin niya, pagkatapos daw niya, tatlo pa. Ayaw na yata umuwi.
Forty seconds left. 40 seconds left.
Ano kung OBF eh? 6.40 na yun.
10 seconds. 10 seconds left.
Baba ako.
Race over. Finish your laps. Race over. Finish your laps.
Oh, M Chassis Pro. Pro ko na.
Canon finish. Okay, all drivers finish. All drivers finish. Finishing order 1 Canon, 2 Teo for rookie class, second hit.